Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Toys. We appreciate you, my returning subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy's Toys. Short hairstyles for black women are really a nice canvas for really experimenting with hair colors like this. You can go bold with this primary who beautiful color like the red. We have the auburn, we have the blonde and pixie platinum, because one thing with this hair color is that they contrast against your dark roots and the fairy shades pops even more. Take a good look on this hair. You can see it's already sexy and sassy. And one thing about this hair is that the color really amplifies the effect. So I love this haircut. I love this pink color. It's so lovely, it's so delicate, it's looking so beautiful. So there are quite limited options like on how you can really style your black haircut, and you can have this textured what I call textured pixie. Yeah, it's just one beautiful example, because this haircut will really define your facial features and give you that impressive glow. Isn't this hair looking so gorgeous? I just love this color combination of platinum and blue. So this is something about short curls that really radiates confidence. You can see one thing I love about this hair is the sleekness of the cut. Just mix in highlights to really bring that depth to the tapered hairstyle. I love this color of will I say platinum a bit gray to this black tapered hairstyle. It really makes you look beautiful, and you can even deliver even more dimension there by making this hair that eye-catchy curls. I love this color. You can see the mixture of greenish blue and lilac. Yeah, this is a lilac purple. It's so good, it's so lovely, it's so gorgeous, and this haircut will fit all face shape. So you can see this curly style is neat and is liquid, and one thing about the hair is that it oozes that good taste and sophistication. So let me let you guys to check out those beautiful short haircuts we have for you guys. There are styles that you will enjoy watching to the end. You can also try some of those hairstyles. If you want description on how you can get to the barbers I always showcase on this channel, go to my description box on how you can link up with them to the links below. Okay, then the product you can use also is also in my link, in my description box. You will also see the link on how you can connect and get them to Amazon's and Alibaba Express. So just take a good look on the styles and let me know how you feel about the styles. If it's the first time, please subscribe with the like button and hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. A happy Sunday to you. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. He never gives to you. He never gives to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve, deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve, deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give.